Hello everyone. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first decentralized cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known to date. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control, and are traded on online exchanges. Their value is determined by market supply and demand, with some influence by factors such as use case and development progress. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain, which provides transparency and security. Using cryptocurrency involves several steps. Choose a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a software program that allows you to store, receive, and send cryptocurrencies. There are various types of wallets such as hardware wallets, software wallets, and web wallets. Purchase cryptocurrency. To use cryptocurrency, you need to purchase some. This can be done on a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase, by exchanging fiat currency, such as USD, for cryptocurrency. Send or receive cryptocurrency. Once you have purchased cryptocurrency, you can send it to other people or receive it from others. To do this, you'll need the recipient's public address, a string of letters and numbers. Store your cryptocurrency safely. It is important to store your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet, and to regularly back up your wallet to prevent loss in case of theft or device damage. Use cryptocurrency for transactions. Cryptocurrency can be used for online purchases, peer-to-peer transactions, and more. The acceptance of cryptocurrency as a form of payment is growing, but it may not yet be widely accepted at brick-and-mortar stores. Note, cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and volatile market, and its value can fluctuate rapidly. It is important to thoroughly research and understand the risks before investing in cryptocurrency.